Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about offering solace and ease, comfort. So, what does it mean to comfort someone? Simply put, to comfort means to make someone feel better when they are sad, worried, or in pain. It's an action that aims to alleviate distress and provide a sense of ease and security. We use it all the time in everyday language, from comforting a crying child to comforting a friend who's going through a tough time. It's a powerful word that speaks to our ability to empathize and support one another. Now, let's explore some synonyms for comfort. One common synonym is soothe. For example, the mother soothed her baby with a lullaby. Another synonym is console. Consider this. I tried to console my friend after she failed her exam. We can also use the word reassure, as in, the doctor reassured the patient that the surgery was routine. Cheer up is another good option, meaning to make someone happier. For example, I brought her flowers to cheer up her. And finally, there's encourage, which implies giving someone confidence and hope. Her teacher encouraged her to keep writing. Notice how each synonym carries a slightly different nuance, but all share the core meaning of making someone feel better. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of comfort. First up, we have distress. For example, the bad news distressed her greatly. Then there's upset, as in, his rude comment upset me. Another antonym is worry. We might say, the upcoming exam worries me. Agitate is another possibility. For example, don't agitate him when he's already angry. And finally, we have torment, which suggests severe suffering. As in, the bully tormented the younger students. As you can see, these words paint a picture of unease and unhappiness, the direct opposite of comfort. So, how can we use comfort in everyday life? Well, you might say something like, I need to comfort my cat. He's scared of the thunderstorm. Or, a warm bath always comforts me after a long day. You might also hear the phrase, words of comfort, referring to kind and supportive things someone says. The act of offering comfort is a cornerstone of human interaction. It's how we show we care. Now, let's look at some usage examples of comfort in sentences and phrases. She found comfort in her faith during difficult times. Another example, the soft blanket provided comfort on the cold night. His presence comforted her greatly. I tried to comfort him, but he was inconsolable. It's important to comfort those who are grieving. And finally, knowing I have your support comforts me. As you can see, comfort is a versatile word with a wide range of applications. To summarize, comfort means to make someone feel better when they are sad, worried, or in pain. We've explored synonyms like soothe, console, reassure, cheer up, and encourage, and antonyms like distress, upset, worry, agitate, and torment. We've also seen how comfort is used in everyday conversation and in various phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word comfort helpful and informative. Now, before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and continue their English language journey. And now, for your homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word comfort and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.